Hello friends, my name is Novia Gita Alfirda. Today, I want to tell me about refrigerator. What do you know about refrigerator? Refrigerator is one of electric household appliances that use refrigerator or cooling process to support the food preservation process. The first refrigerator was invented by William Cullen in 1784. Refrigerators have various sizes for small and large. Commonly, the big refrigerator is the one with two doors and one door for small ones. The color of the refrigerator can be various from gray, pink, blue, red, black, and others. The refrigerator is that when it is opened, the refrigerator's light will turn on. A small refrigerator has 3 big shelves, 3 smaller ones, and 1 freezer. By the time being, people can use a refrigerator to make ice cream by pressing the temperature control menu button from minimum to maximum. A refrigerator has many benefits. They include cooling and maintaining the quality of food and drink. It works by stabilizing the temperature. A refrigerator is very useful for everyday life because it helps use in storing food. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.